Before calculators. Before rulers. Before even numbers were written on paper, how did humans count their treasures, measure their fabrics, or build their homes? Today, we journey back to the very beginning of mathematics when counting was done with fingers, stones, and imagination. Long before cities rose and kingdoms flourished, early humans needed a way to keep track of the world around them. Hunters counted animals. Gatherers counted fruits. Traders counted goods. Without written numbers, they used simple tools like stones, sticks, or marks carved into bones. Imagine a shepherd counting sheep by placing one stone in a pouch for every sheep that left the pen. And removing one stone for every sheep that returned. That simple act, matching one object to another, was the very beginning of counting. As societies grew, counting alone was not enough. People needed to measure, especially when building homes, creating clothing, and designing beautiful works of art. In ancient cultures, measuring often relied on the human body. A hand, a foot, or an arm became the earliest rulers. A tailor might measure cloth using the length of their forearm, while builders measured land using footsteps. These simple measurements shaped the garments people wore and the structures they built, laying the foundation for both fashion and architecture. Mathematics played a powerful role in fashion and trade. Weavers counted threads to create balanced patterns. Merchants measured fabric to ensure fair trade. Every fold of fabric. Every repeating pattern depended on simple counting and measuring. Even the stunning patterns seen in ancient textiles were guided by mathematical thinking. Over time, counting marks became symbols, and symbols became numbers. These numbers made it easier to record trade, measure land, and design buildings with greater precision. What began as scratches on stone eventually became the mathematics we rely on today. Even in our modern world, simple counting and measuring remain essential. From tailoring clothes to building homes, mathematics continues to shape the way we live, create, and express ourselves. What started with fingers and stones now powers technology, art, and global trade. Mathematics began as a simple survival tool, but it quickly became a powerful force that shaped culture, fashion, and civilization itself. If you could live in any historical era we talked about, which would it be?